There comes a time, in almost every married person's life when they need to think about finding an affordable family car. When it comes to picking a vehicle for your family, there are a lot of important details you need to consider. You'll ask yourselves, will this car be comfortable when you pick up the kids? Is it fuel efficient? Does it have enough space for the whole family? But first, let's be honest, not everyone can afford the premium cars, but who said that a comfortable and affordable family car is impossible to get nowadays? To help you out, here are 20 of the best family cars for new parents in the Philippines. Please like, subscribe, and share our videos at Car Presyo Ph. 20. Hyundai Reyna. Price, 638,000 to 688,000. Hyundai Reyna has got to be one of the most affordable and stylish family cars you can get. It is not also just stylish but has a lot to offer too. 19. Kia Saluto. Price, 625,000 to 735,000. For a sedan car, the Kia Saluto has a lot of interior room. Sporting a 7-inch touchscreen, you can enjoy long drives with your family in style and comfort. 18. Kia Pican, 2. Price, 590,000 to 745,000. If you and your family love the city life and have a knack for exploring, then this car is perfect for you. Do not let its small exterior fool you, it is quite comfortable and spacious inside. 17. Toyota Avanza. Price, 731,000 to 1,065,000. This elegant-looking car is equipped with a reliable and efficient engine that gives you a smooth and hassle-free drive with the family. 16. MG ZS. Price, 818,888 to 998,000. This subcompact crossover vehicle came from MG Cars, a British sports car brand. This MG ZS is one of the models perfect for families due to its generous interior space and quality technology. 15. Suzuki Ertiga. Price, 728,000 to 978,000. This affordable yet reliable MPV car is definitely worth your time and investment. With its spacious interior that can easily fit 7 people and design that is beyond outstanding, you are sure to be the talk of the town with this stylish car. 14. New Toyota Vios. Price, 662,000 to 1,113,000. The new Toyota Vios is designed to be fuel efficient. This model is also equipped with a 7-speed sports sequential transmission that can be seen in premium Toyota models. 13. Chevrolet Spark. Price, 694,888 to 859,888. This mini hatchback is often compared to a Mini Cooper due to its roomy interior, modern technology and city style. If you are a family of 5 who lives in the city, then you should consider checking the Chevrolet Spark out. 12. Toyota Wigo. Price, 557,000 to 696,000. This car can hold up to 4 adults comfortably, making it good for a family with tweens and teens. There is also a fair amount of space at the back for all your things, making it great for family activities. 11. Honda Civic. Price, 1,115,000 to 1,608,000. The Honda Civic has got to be one of the most popular ones out there. This car has a little bit of everything. Equipped with up-to-date technology, a powerful engine that can take on long trips, and a modern classy look, this is definitely the ideal car for small to medium-sized families. 10. Mitsubishi Xpander. Price, 999,000 to 1,175,000. The Mitsubishi Xpander is one of the most competitive MPV cars manufactured by Mitsubishi Philippines. It is also one of the leaders when it comes to affordable 7-seater cars in the Philippines. 9. Nissan Almera. Price, 657,000 to 933,000. The Nissan Almera is a fuel-efficient sedan that is the perfect size for smaller families. The classy look of this car is sure to turn heads. 8. Mazda 2 Sedan. Price, 850,000 to 1,055,000. The Mazda 2 Sedan is a subcompact car that lives up to its manufacturer's reputation. It's fuel efficient and can take on long drives. 7. Volkswagen Santana. Price, 686,000 to 962,000. If you are looking for a subcompact car, then you should consider the Volkswagen Santana GTS. 6. Jackass 3. Price, 890,000 to 940,000. The Jackass 3 is dubbed as the largest vehicle that is under P1 million. This family car is a smaller version of an SUV and has a large space for the family to enjoy. 5. BAIC M60. Price, 998,000 to 1,068,000. This midsize MPV has a very sleek and sporty design that is influenced by SUVs. This premium car is made by Beijing Automotive Group Company, BAIC, and was shown off at the 7th Philippine International Motor Show, PIMS. The BAIC M60 is perfect for those who are starting a family. 4. Suzuki Vitara. Price, 913,000 to 1,148,000. Suzuki Philippines has blown the country away with this 4th-generation Vitara, its most recent entry in the subcompact crossover segment. It is definitely one of those cars that you would just have to take a second look to be sure that the pure elegance you saw was real. 3. Honda Mobilio. Price, 895,000 to 1,085,000. If you are looking for a family car that is not as big, then you should take a look at the Honda Mobilio. This family move is a smaller version of a 7-seater MPV but is still one of the leading family cars. 2. Ford EcoSport. Price, 920,000 to 1,190,000. The Ford EcoSport is an American SUV crossover that is powered by engine options that include the 3-cylinder 1.0 liters petrol EcoBoost engine or the 4-cylinder 1.5 liters petrol. This promising car is very convenient and comfortable for long family drives. 1. Toyota Rush. Price, 968,000 to 1,100,000. The Toyota Rush is one of the best multi-purpose vehicle, MPV, cars available to date. This affordable 5-door, 7-seater SUV car is one of the latest additions to Toyota's collection. With that kind of safety rating, it is indeed one of the best family cars you can invest in.